So if you've been in the market looking for a pair of earbuds with bass that will blow you away and money really isn't an issue for you, then I think that what you're looking at today will definitely not disappoint you.
But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going wrong like nonsense. Playing with the monsters.
Today we're taking a look at the first JVC earbuds on this channel, and these are the XX earbuds from JVC, which means Xtreme Explosives. So will this live up to its name and high price? Welcome to a review of the JVC HA-XC90T. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the JVC XC90T. It's been a while since I've owned or saw anything from JVC, and I remember it's pretty much a household brand growing up in the 90s. My grandparents and my parents all had JVC hi-fi systems, and there is no doubt that JVC has the experience making great sounding audio product. Today's earbuds was graciously sent over to me by Klingen Malaysia, and they are the sole distributor of JVC in Malaysia and many other brands. You can check out their website in the description below. And although these were sent out to me, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. These earbuds are really new, so I don't really have an official price in Malaysia yet, but JVC US retails these earbuds for about 200 US, which translates to a very expensive 800 Malaysian ringgit. So at that price point, we need to see if these are any good. And if you're interested in buying these earbuds, do check out my links in the description below, and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. So like I've mentioned, the XC90 is JVC's range of Xtreme Explosive earbuds, and they previously had an older version which is the XC70, and those are extremely popular earbuds as well. So at this price range, these earbuds better be built like a tank, and fortunately it does. So the case of these earbuds is mainly made out of an aluminium chassis, which is fairly heavy, and at the top of the case you see the XX branding and the Xtreme Explosive font there. So at one end of the case you'll be also getting the JVC branding, and there is actually a ring integrated here, so you can actually hook these earbuds on your back or loop it around your fingers. So the ring is held on by a very strong magnet, and it's pretty hard to pull out, but that's what I like about quality products. So on the other end, you get a USB Type-C charging port, which is nice in a modern earbuds, and next to that you get 4 LED indicators to tell you the battery life. So the bottom here you get a push sticker which you can peel off, but I'll just keep mine there. And pressing it pops the cradle open, and as you pull it, the cradle snaps into place for you to access your earbuds, and you can hear that everything that happens with these earbuds is very high quality. So inside the earbuds sits very nice and ruggedly inside the case, and if you take it out, this really brings me back to the days of old JVC hi-fi systems that look super chunky and rugged. So compared to many earbuds today, the XC90 is a massive earbud, and the reason for its size is because these are built to provide you with exceptional bass performance and sound quality. So according to the design architect of JVC, these earbuds have separate independent acoustic chamber that separates the 12mm dynamic driver away from all the battery components and the circuitry. So first of its kind, and I believe it's doing something to improve the audio quality. On the touch sensor surface of the earbuds, you see the nice XX branding there and a red ring all around it, and the LED indicator is cleverly hidden inside this ring, and when it glows, gives a very soft glow to the ring that makes it look super cool. On each side, you will see that there's actually holes at the side of the earbuds, and that is actually a bass port for the earbuds to relieve all the build-up pressure from the drivers inside. And inside itself, there is also a technology that JVC calls Xtreme Tornado Ducts to sequentially balance air pressure inside the acoustic chamber to let the drivers move more freely. So all of this technology simply means that these earbuds are built with audio quality in mind. So because these are very large earbuds, it doesn't quite sit nicely on most ears, and for me personally, it rests just nice on my ears and doesn't sit in my ears very snugly. And for someone with smaller ears, they would definitely not fit these earbuds at all. The earbuds will give you a very impressive 15 hours of continuous playback time and a total of 45 hours with the case, so which is on the high side of modern earbuds, but because of its size, JVC can stick a bigger battery inside, and the earbuds takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge, and the case takes about 3.5 hours to fully charge. So the XC90 is a very decently spec earbuds and comes with a Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.0 that supports the aptX, AAC and SBC audio codec. These earbuds are also rated to be triple proof, meaning the IP55 rating makes these earbuds waterproof, dustproof and shockproof. So you can throw the toughest of adventures or workouts on these earbuds and it will likely survive anything. So the XC90 gives you a pretty good passive noise isolation, and because of that, JVC also throws in transparency mode to let you open up your surroundings for a while. And the transparency mode is mainly for you to communicate, so when you're in transparency mode, the volume immediately drops to let you hear your surroundings. The two downsides of these earbuds is the lack of seamless mono and stereo mode. You can still use either side that you want, but the swap is not seamless, and lastly, there is no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds. Sound quality on the XC90 is what it excels in, and for once these actually live up to what they claim to do. And because of all the technology in these earbuds, bass is really good on these earbuds. So you can think of these as very refined basses, like having a very good set of subwoofers in your ears, and these don't just randomly produce any bass note, but precisely controls it. It's very aggressive, very punchy, yet not messy. There is also a bass boost feature on these earbuds, and toggling that on, I hear about a 10% improvement on the already powerful bass, but not really a very big difference in my opinion. The clarity on these earbuds are also retained very nicely, and it provides you with very good clarity even with that rumbling bass going on. But although you get good clarity, you don't get that absolutely bright signature on cymbals and snares, but for what it's worth, it's really an impressive earbuds. Soundstage is decent on this, and this gives you very good separation overall, but they don't feel airy in my opinion. It feels very close to your ears when music is playing. So if you're looking for bassy earbuds that blows you away, then these definitely are for you. So call quality on these earbuds is also very good, with generally good call quality across all environments, and since this runs Qualcomm CVC technology, you can hear that background noises are not isolated all that much, but at least your voice still comes through really nicely. Anyway, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the JVC HA-XC90 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there is a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. Latency on these earbuds is also pretty good and does generally well with YouTube and Netflix, and gaming still comes with a little bit delay, but for casual gaming, definitely still very enjoyable. Anyway, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. So to be honest, I really like the controls of the JVC HA-XC90, and starting with the touch sensor, these are the first I've used that gives you a touch feedback with a beep every time you touch the earbud. So you know exactly how many times you have already tapped the earbuds. So to play or pause media or pick up phone calls, simply tap once on the left side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your media. So very simple there. And tapping once on the right side toggles you between ambient mode as well as normal mode. So to skip tracks forward, simply press and hold the right earbuds. So press and hold right earbuds, and to skip backwards, simply press and hold the left earbuds and it will skip your tracks backwards. So there you go. So to increase the volume, double tap on the right earbuds and it will slowly increase your volume, and to decrease the volume, double tap on the left earbuds and it will decrease your volume. So lastly, to turn on bass boost and normal mode, triple tap on the right earbuds and that will bring you into bass boost mode. So that's basically all of the controls you get with the JVC HA-XC90. Honestly, if you have the cash to get earbuds like that, I would highly recommend these earbuds. These are not for everyone, but are very suited for someone who does extreme sports and is an active athlete type of person. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.